drunk.
Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a good one, guys. This lecture explores a case of shoplifting that escalated into multiple charges, showcasing how decisions made in the heat of the moment can spiral out of control. Let's break it down. As we begin, the officers inform the individuals that they've been trespassed from the store for life. They're given a chance to leave without any further incident. This is the crucial moment where compliance could have prevented escalation.
I want to be clear. It's the two down there at the end with the cart and the kind of red hair and that guy?
Yep.
And they previously shoplifted before?
Yeah, they've come in here. I've seen them in here a couple times.
I'm going to give them the you don't want their business speech.
Thank you.
Hi guys, how we doing? Hey, need you guys to leave the store without taking anything. Okay? You guys are identified as previous shoplifters. Yeah, store security said, they called us here. They said you walked in with another guy just now and they literally pointed you out, both of you. Yeah, both of you. You guys are trespassed from the store for life and you need to leave.
You know what gives it away, bro? What? Those stolen jeans.
The jeans with the stolen tags on them, and then, so you guys need to leave the store, okay? If you don't leave now, you're going to get arrested for trespass. You guys understand you can't come back? Cool, they don't want your business. They don't want your money. The store, security.
Security.
It's really simple.
Are you serious?
Absolutely. They don't want your business. You got to take those gloves off. You got to leave. I'm not a weirdo. I'm just doing my job. You got to leave.
You are a weirdo.
Okay. Well, I'm sure if I took your dirty fingerprints outside and got your fingerprints, you'd have a long history of...
Excuse me?
You have dirty
you want to
fingers.
do it? Let's go check it out. Check it out. Come on. You want, no, seriously.
Stop. Don't grab the
No,
card.
I want you. I will grab my purse.
Yes,
you can take the purse. Go ahead. You got to leave the
I want you
store.
to take my fingerprint. Thank you. Take my fingerprint. Seriously. I prove you wrong. Okay, thanks.
We would have to go all the way out to my car out front with my fingerprints. Cool?
Yeah.
That's really, really rude.
I don't care. You're really, really rude. Are you going to tell me I have a long...
Go ahead. It would be a really fun end to my day. I just don't think you should be slinging around terms like that because it's rude. You got to leave the store. I'm going to arrest you for trespassing. Keep going. Keep going. You got to clear the store and clear the entire parking lot. Oh boy. That's actually called disorderly conduct. Stop where you are. You're under arrest. Stop. If you start to run, I've already told you you're under arrest. If you start to run, I'm going to chase you.
I didn't do anything wrong. Are you serious?
If you swing at me, stop.
No, I didn't do nothing wrong. I swear to God, you guys are... I'm not under arrest.
You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
Relax.
Disorderly conduct.
No.
Let go of me.
Hey.
No.
Hey, listen.
You
I
let
gave
go.
you
I didn't do
plenty of
anything wrong. You guys are
opportunities.
out of pocket right now. I swear to God. For
Let
what?
go.
I didn't fucking do anything wrong.
Stop.
Let go. You're going to get
Are you
put on the
serious?
ground.
For what? What did I do? Tell me what the fuck I did. Tell me what the fuck I did.
It's called
Tell me what the fuck
disorderly
I did.
conduct
For what?
for throwing their property on the ground.
Are you fucking serious?
Absolutely.
Because you guys are so out of pocket. I'm sitting here trying to pay with my money. I have money, cash money, okay?
Okay. You were
Hey,
told to
no.
leave the store
And I did.
7-8 times.
No, I literally
Let go of
think
your
you're talking
purse.
about me.
Let go.
Let go of the purse. It's okay.
You're not arresting me.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
Just go ahead.
Stop.
Stop. You guys are
Hey.
You guys are so out of pocket.
I got mine.
For why? Alex!
Can you keep an eye out for any other guys
didn't do
approaching us?
anything
You went in the store with 2 guys.
Alex, get a camera so I'm videotaping this shit.
We are videotaping.
Good. No, you're on fucking
Stop.
I'm not even
finding
doing it.
us.
Can you guys stop?
Hey, your arm can
You
get
need to
broken. I don't want
relax.
to break your arm.
No, clearly you do.
You're resisting.
Stop.
Roll over on your stomach.
No. For why?
Did you say, yeah, you know? Okay, now
No,
you're under
I'm
arrest for
saying-
another charge
No,
for
I'm
resisting
saying-
arrest.
Why are you guys doing this? I didn't do anything wrong.
Do you want to get tased? That's
Dude,
the next
I
step.
didn't do anything
That's the
wrong.
next step.
I swear to God, you guys are fucking... Alex!
Stop.
You guys have fucking issues. Look, you're such a fucking fat...
Hey, let go of my hand.
I'm not touching your fucking
You did. You just squeezed my hand again.
No, I didn't. Why am I...
Hey, stop.
You guys are so violent. I
Stop.
don't understand what the fuck is wrong with you guys. What the fuck? Now you're trying to stand up and then fucking put me down. You're
Nobody told you to stand up. We said
you.
stop.
Stop.
you.
Why are you freaking out?
Because I'm being arrested for what?
We told you like 30 times.
I didn't do anything. Can you stop? Get the fuck off of me.
Stop thrashing.
Get the fuck off of my fucking leg, you fucking piece of shit. What the fuck is wrong with you? I fucking hate you.
You're not the first, you're not the last.
You guys please let me stop.
Okay, so you're under arrest.
For what? Why did you do anything wrong? Can you tell him to get the fuck off me? Seriously, it's fucking hurting my fucking leg.
You just started kicking at my
I did not try to kick him.
I saw it.
God
Do
damn.
not stand. Do not stand up.
Kick at us.
I never will kick at you. I literally have cash money. I was gonna buy some shit.
So you know
I
we're
swear to
audio
God.
and video recording?
Good for you.
Just letting you know.
You want to see my money in my fucking purse?
Well, it's not about money if you walked out without paying for stuff.
I didn't walk out without paying my website. They told me to go to the store.
That's what they told us.
No, what?
No, that's different.
Yeah, thank you very much.
This is a different thing?
Yeah, they
thank you.
identified them as previous
No,
shoplifters.
not
We
me.
went and
On my kid's
trespassed her.
life, not me. On my kid's
told her to
life.
leave a bunch of
I've never
times.
been to the store with him.
She finally left. As she left, she grabbed a stack of
I
buckets and
literally
tossed them
didn't think he was
backwards at
talking to
me.
I swear to God, I didn't think he was talking to me.
You didn't think who was talking to you?
You guys, I thought I was like,
When we were in the store? Yeah, I was talking to you.
Yeah.
We said many
That's
times.
why I know
We'll
why
go back.
but you said you guys.
We'll go back to the footage. Yeah, both of you. You guys are trespassing from the store for life, and you need to leave.
Okay, what are you doing?
Kayla, how do you...
You're under arrest. We can search your
How are you
bag.
gonna go through my shit?
It's called incident to arrest.
Kayla.
No, do not stand up. We're ready for you to stand up. I'll tell you.
Are you injured at all?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
What's wrong?
What hurt?
My fucking, when you knee on my fucking back, my fucking chair is hella bad. It's hard to breathe.
So we're also going to have the sergeant come up here and talk to you.
That's
because we
fine.
used
That's
the
perfectly
force.
fine.
You want to stand up? I can sit you down on the bumper now.
Name for
How is this legal at all?
Have a seat. Actually, you know what? Do you have anything in your pockets? Anything on you that's going to hurt me, poke me, stick me, needles, knives, explosives,
no.
guns, anything like that?
No.
Let's walk over here to the back of the car.
So f***ed up. I didn't do anything wrong. Seriously. You guys are so f***ed up.
Stop reaching
I'm
for
trying to push my pocket back
You don't have to
in.
push your pocket back in. It's the lowest of the priorities right now.
I still don't understand how this is even legal. How is this even legal?
New drug laws in Kent.
Not even kidding. I just put this
New
coat on.
drug
I swear
laws
to
just
God.
signed into effect
I
yesterday.
I literally just put this coat on. I swear to God. I'm not even kidding. I swear to God. Oh my kid's life. why am I getting arrested right now?
You're under arrest. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
Wrong.
And you're under arrest for resisting arrest.
Because I didn't do anything wrong. I understand there's no reason I should be arrested right now. Literally no fucking reason I should be arrested right now. This is so out of pocket. Seriously, there's nothing. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm a kid's life. I swear. I'm not even kidding. I don't do blues at all. I swear to God. I know what they are, but I don't do them. I swear to God, my kid's life.
You know the street name for them.
Yes, I do. I know. Yeah, I know what they are. I live in the fucking ghetto. Hello.
See my hand?
How would you do that?
I have to sweep the underside of your bra. Make sure you don't have anything in there. Okay, widen your stance for me. See my hand? Step in there.
No fucking reason I should be arrested right now. There's no fucking reason why I'm getting arrested.
Put your foot in. We already explained it to you when we were trying to
I
talk to you
didn't
on
do
the way to the
anything
store.
wrong at all. This is so fucking wrong.
What type of warrants does she have?
theft stuff, DWLS stuff. So
Theft stuff. I'm blown away.
I'm not taking her without this.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, where is your body cam? Did you just rip?
yeah.
Bro, I am downwind and that hit hard. Wow, that's hot.
Dick came out hot. I will cite and release my guy, even though he's kind of being a dickhead. I'll grab her and transport her down, but we need 16 to come see her.
True. And fire's coming too.
And fire's
Complaining of back pain, correct? Let me look at her warrants real quick.
Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand each of the rights I've explained to you? Do you need me to read the rights again? No? Okay. Do you understand the rights I've explained to you? No answer? Okay. What's that?
I said, yeah.
You do? Okay. Having your rights in mind, do you want to talk to me now?
No.
No? Okay.
Yeah, one question. Why do you really think I deserve to be taken to jail? I've been to jail one time in my fucking life.
Okay, your warrants would say otherwise.
My warrants? You're lying. I don't know freaking warrants.
Unless you gave us a bad name, if you give us
I
a
have no,
fake name.
what warrant? I swear to God, my kid's
Did you
life.
give
I
us
don't,
a fake name?
No,
Because
Alice.
you have warrants for theft.
No, I don't. For what? What are you talking about? I went to court and I want it deferred.
Okay, here's what I'm going to do.
I
am
went
going
to jail one time.
I am going to go to my car. I'm going to get my fingerprint scanner.
Please.
If you ended up giving us a false
No,
name.
it's my name.
Okay. If you gave us a false name, then you're going to get extra charges for.
Okay, that's my real name. And I don't have no warrant. How am I allowed to go to court?
You do have warrants. That's what we just pulled up on our computer.
How? But I paid $266.
Something from Federal Way and something from Auburn.
Federal Way? Well, can you tell me, please? Because I have no knowledge of this at all.
We'll go through that in just a minute, okay?
As she's walking out, she throws hers behind her. So like, all right, well, we're gonna take you into custody on that now.
Disorderly?
Yeah.
I said like 3 times after that.
It
Like,
was
that's
so-
disorderly conduct. You're under arrest. Stop moving. Don't run. Stop moving. Don't run. And I was like, hey, if you start running, it's going to be more. And then as soon as we put hands on her, she super hard resisting. And then at one point, We go to put her on the ground, and she tucks her head and does a full flip. Hey, kicked me in the back of the shoulder. I'm not.
Rather impressive.
I don't know if that was just a front flip thing or not.
Okay. Are you injured?
No, I'm fine. She had a small thing of blues on her as well. And she said, "They're not mine. Those weren't mine."
The KCC that they signed, didn't he say that they were going to come and give us the legal update for it? Because
Okay, well, I'll just do disorderly
and
obstructing.
I think that it either will go into effect in July, or they'll do it early, depending on what the state does. Because the state might come back and say the city can't do that. Miss, what's your first name? Kayla. Okay. Hey, real quick, my body cam's on, so we're being audio and video recorded. My partner said, so you're in custody right now, okay? And I would be willing to chat with you, but because you're in custody, I got to read you your rights, and then you have to be willing to chat with me, and that's completely up to you. But if you want to talk, I have to do that. Is that something you want me to do? Okay, sounds good. All right, Kayla, you have the right to remain silent. You understand the rights that I've read to you, Kayla?
Yeah.
What do you want to talk to me about?
I swear to God, I was buying everything. I really didn't think they were talking to me, but I've never stolen from you or anything.
Okay.
There's no reason, you know what I mean? So I really didn't think he was talking to me. I was shocked. I was like, you're talking to me? Like, there's no reason I should be kicked out here. And of course, yeah, I'm mad. And so all I did was knock down the bucket, which I shouldn't have done. I should control my anger. But I just knocked down the buckets, and then they literally tackled me and like freaking put his knee in my back like hella hard, flipped me upside down, like for no reason, like seriously, all because I didn't touch nobody, I didn't hurt nobody, I didn't do anything. 2 buckets fell, like 2 small, tiny little 5-gallon buckets. I shouldn't have done that, but literally they should not have done that. Like I did nothing wrong. They said I have warrants. Can you tell me what I have warrants for? Because I've been in jail one time.
Yeah, I can look at it, but I don't know. I haven't looked at anything. I'm just here to kind of get the quick version of what happened. So I appreciate you telling me that.
And
but
he's so disrespectful. Literally, he said because my fingers were dirty, I probably have a long record of like crimes or whatever. Like I've been to jail one time.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. We get called here or we get asked by employees to come tell people that they need to leave. Some of the people that you were with were previously trespassed. I don't know if you have been previously trespassed.
No.
It sounds like you're saying no. But as soon as the business tells us they want this group of people gone, it is completely their right to ask us to do that.
Yeah, I totally understand. But like I said, I literally didn't think he was talking to me.
And then at the point where you do realize he's talking to you, you get flustered, right? Because it's embarrassing. And I get that. The problem with throwing the buckets on the ground out of anger, I get it, is that it's disorderly conduct.
Yeah.
And at that point, they do have a legal reason to arrest you. As soon as officers tell you, hey, you're under arrest, even if you think it's bullshit, instead of arguing or resisting their attempts to put your hands behind your back to put you in handcuffs, you gotta just be compliant, and then you can argue it after the fact. If you think it's BS, that's fine. That's fair. That's your right. But if you resist when we're trying to put you in handcuffs, it makes it dangerous for you, it makes it dangerous for us, and unfortunately, that's how it played out. Unfortunately, what happens when people resist, we have to kind of begin to do more than just simply try to get your arms behind your back. So that's why they put you on the ground to handcuff you, okay? In terms of the warrants, I'll go figure out what the warrants are for, and I'd be willing to tell you what those are. I just don't know yet, okay?
Okay.
I'll let you know what the warrants are for, okay?
Okay.
All right. The warrant out of Auburn is for trespass. Criminal trespassing.
I deferred though, but
Deferred it?
yeah.
Maybe missed a court date or missed something, I don't know.
They told me I literally paid, because I paid half of it, and for 40 hours community service, I just paid it off, like
Gotcha.
$156, something like that.
Okay.
And then the other half, she said, I'm not even going to make another court date, and it was done.
Okay.
So why?
For whatever reason, it's in there, and it's your name, it's your middle name, it's your birthday, right? And the
What's
name
the
you
other-
gave me is...
there's another one?
There was one out of Fedway, but I don't think it was you. It was a different middle name, unless you gave the officers in Fedway a different name, and I don't need to confirm that right now, because the Auburn one's fine, and we have disorderly conduct from today, right? So, but here's the thing. When you go to Auburn next, just check in at the court and be like, hey, I got arrested. Or maybe when you go to jail today, maybe they'll just help you figure it out and put you in contact with the right people, okay?
I'm really get arrested though.
Yes, you are. Okay, hang tight for just a minute.
We should all just go home for the day. I'm emotionally damaged now. Kayla,
Yeah.
these little things that are like pokies and tools and stuff, they cannot go to the jail with you, so they're just going to get destroyed.
Why?
What's that?
Can't I just give him my husband?
Where is he? Pretty much what I want to do is give all your stuff to your husband, but I don't know where he's at. Was he the short Hispanic guy or the taller white guy in the gray sweatshirt?
No, neither. He's in my Mazda 6 right there.
That one right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's his name?
Alex.
What is it, sorry?
Alex.
Alex. Can you hop out for a second? We're switching cars.
Hey, Kayla, do you want your purse to go with him?
Yeah. Sure, yeah.
An officer finds Kayla's husband to give him her property.
Apparently it's our suspect's car and her husband is passed out inside and is not waking up. He does have some drug paraphernalia in his lap. He woke up. We're good. Can I open the door and talk to you?
Are you Alex?
Yeah. Your wife got arrested.
Yeah.
Yeah. These things happen. She wanted us to give you her purse and her cash.
What was she doing in there?
She was identified by their store security as somebody who had shoplifted previously, and they wanted her trespass. There's a bullet right here on the door, just so you know. Any guns in the car?
No, sir.
Okay. Anyway, she got she's under arrest for obstruction and disorderly conduct because she was throwing stuff around the store and she got mad. We told her she had to leave and was trespassing and all that. So
Going to jail?
yeah.
Probably shouldn't be driving though. Maybe find somebody else to come drive for you.
Yeah, I don't know if you smoked or something recently, but I was trying to wake you up for.
I literally was just waiting for her forever. I took a nap.
Oh yes. Okay. Well, any questions? You can contact the Kent City Jail and they'll find out how long. Okay.
Let's pause and look at the laws involved here. Number 1, disorderly conduct. Revised Code of Washington 9A.84.030. This includes behaviors such as fighting, making unreasonable noise, or intentionally creating a risk of public disturbance. Kayla's act of throwing buckets toward the officer and her loud behavior in the parking lot both qualify under this law. Number 2, resisting arrest, found under 9A.76.040. In Washington, resisting arrest is defined as intentionally preventing or attempting to prevent an officer from lawfully arresting you. Kayla's resistance during the arrest, including physically struggling with the officers, fulfills this definition. Evidentiary standards. To understand how the charges might progress through the legal system, let's break down the evidentiary standards. Mere suspicion. The store employee's recognition of Kayla as a previous shoplifter falls under this category. It's not enough for action but warrants further inquiry. Reasonable suspicion. When Kayla threw the buckets, it gave officers a specific, articulable reason to investigate further. Probable cause. Her act of disorderly conduct witnessed by officers provided the basis for her arrest. Preponderance of the evidence. In a civil context, evidence such as the found drug paraphernalia could support property tampering claims at this level. Clear and convincing evidence. A stricter standard applicable in certain legal contexts, like proving Kayla knew the stolen credit cards were illegal, beyond a reasonable doubt. The highest standard, this is required to convict Kayla of the criminal charges, such as the disorderly conduct and the resisting arrest charges. This case highlights how quickly things can escalate from a simple interaction to serious legal trouble. Kayla's actions, from throwing the buckets to resisting arrest, transformed the trespass warning into multiple charges. The discovery of drugs and stolen credit cards only compounded her whole situation. It's a sobering reminder of the importance of de-escalation when interacting with law enforcement. While the Kent City Ordinance banning drug possession attempts to address gaps in state laws, it also reflects the complexity of balancing public safety with individual rights. Let's continue the conversation. What's your thoughts on how ordinances like Kent's should be enforced? Drop your comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Advocacy Alchemy for more real-world legal analysis. Until tomorrow, stay informed, stay aware, and stay safe. This is Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Have a good day.